Controversies brewing with Vivek Ramaswamy, Elon Musk in the context of H-1B visas just dropped. Wow. So this situation is concerning for me personally, and I think for many of us should be. They're talking about as much as a 2x increase in bringing in foreign workers to fill U.S. jobs, coveted U.S. jobs in tech, within the realm of engineering, which includes software engineering, et cetera, many subcategories within engineering, which is quite broad. This trend concerns me. I would just say that from my personal experience as a U.S. veteran who worked very hard to finish my bachelor's degree, went on to complete my computer science master's, was able to just barely finish with a top GPA, 3.97, and yet it was so hard to land a position, which fortunately a while back I was able to land. And the reason it was so hard, there's so much competition from international applicants that inundate the application process. And even once hired on the team that I'm on currently, it certainly appears that approximately 80% of those I work with are here on an H-1B visa, certainly not U.S. citizens, still ramping up to learn U.S. culture, to kind of struggling to collaborate effectively across teams within different U.S. structure than what they're used to in their home countries. And all of this makes it not only harder to get these jobs in the first place for U.S. citizens, but once you have them, such as in my situation, to obtain promotions even for lateral moves. And how is this fair? And if we as U.S. citizens apply to these jobs internationally, do we even have a chance to get hired? I would say pretty much close to zero. So looking at a 2x increase makes it that much harder for those that were born here, that work here, that went to school here, to obtain a job within their own country and end up taking subordinate roles that instead go to international workers that come in. I don't see the competitive edge in terms of skill set. Those I work with are skilled. I value the skill sets of foreign workers and the talent and the commitment, the work ethic. I absolutely do. I've got those things too. Many U.S. citizens have those things too. I would say a heck of a lot do. And a heck of a lot that do can't find work. So I think we have a heck of a lot more work to do internally within our country to fill roles with people that are just as qualified domestically before bringing in a big influx of international workers. That's my opinion. What do you think?